Imagine two identical practices selling for vastly different prices. The secret? Turnkey readiness. Buyers crave certainty and avoid surprises. A turnkey practice offers just that, ensuring a smooth transition and higher sale value. Why does turnkey readiness matter? It significantly boosts your practice's sale value. Buyers are willing to pay a premium for certainty and seamless operations, making your practice more attractive in the competitive market. Buyers demand 3 years of clean financial records. Transparent billing processes and consistent collections are non-negotiable. Solid financial performance builds buyer confidence and increases your practice's appeal. Without financial transparency, potential buyers may walk away. Ensure your records are impeccable, showcasing your practice's profitability and reliability. This foundation of trust is crucial for a successful sale. Outdated EMR systems can deter potential buyers. Integrated, up-to-date technology signals readiness for seamless operations. Investing in technology upgrades can make your practice more attractive to buyers. Modern technology isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Buyers want to step into a practice that's ready to operate efficiently from day one. Don't let outdated systems hold you back. A strong patient base with a positive community reputation is invaluable. Loyal patients mean predictable revenue, a key factor for buyers. Enhancing patient loyalty can significantly increase your practice's market value. Patient loyalty isn't just about numbers, it's about trust and relationships. Buyers recognize the value of a dedicated patient base, making your practice more appealing and valuable. Well-maintained facilities and equipment reflect professional management. Efficient infrastructure reduces buyer concerns about hidden costs. Competent staff and low turnover signal stability, a major selling point. Your staff and infrastructure are the backbone of your practice. Buyers seek stability and efficiency, making these elements crucial in determining your practice's value and appeal. Start with a professional practice valuation to assess your current position. Organize financial documentation and upgrade technology systems. Refresh your facility and retain key staff to ensure smooth operations. Book a discovery meeting to learn how to maximize your practice's sale value. Your practice deserves the best possible outcome. Let's make sure it gets one. Take action today for a brighter tomorrow. Scan the code below to book your confidential discovery meeting.